Good morning, all friends. My name is Supriya Kumari. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let's learn the science, the animal kingdom. We are going to learn the topic in the animal kingdom is animal habitat and food habits. We are going to learn the animals' habitat and the food habit, and even the way do the animals live. Okay, so let's see. In this, see the animals, how I told you, they are so many. Okay, and they are different from us. Okay, so some group, they are divided into some groups. What's meaning of habitat here? Meaning of habitat means habitat is the home of the animals. Let I tell you. Habitat. Meaning of this learner, meaning of the habitat. What's the habitat here? Habitat means it's a home of the animals. Means the animals where they can survive. According to the animals where they can survive. It's called as habitat. Let I write. According to the animals where they meaning of habitat according to the animals where they can survive. Means it is the choice of the animal. Means where can the animal survive? That's called as habitat. Okay, like example, the fish. Fish cannot survive in the land. That's home is the water. So the water is known as the habitat of the fish. Some fishes, okay. The habitat of the fish is water. They cannot survive in the land. They should survive. They should see. Means how can they survive? According to the animals, they can survive. Okay. So now we are going to learn about these animals and what and where do they live and animals habitat and food habit. Now we are going to learn the where does the animals live. Okay, see here. Let I make a column. So the groups of the animals, some groups of the animal are there. That's the habitat group. There are 4 groups, namely they are actually so you can see I had divided the 4 columns. Now I will show you some groups of animals where there are 4 groups of animals that where they survive. Okay, first is terrestrial. Some animals are terrestrial animals and some has arboreal animals and some has aerial animals, and the last one aquatic animals. So now let's learn what is means of this animals. Means what is means of the terrestrial? Terrestrial. Okay, like that only we are seeing what's means of terrestrial, what's means of arboreal, and aerial and aquatic. So let's see. Terrestrial here. What's your terrestrial? Meaning of terrestrial, the animal which lives on land. That I write? The animal which lives on land. Terrestrial animals means the animals which lives on land. Like us, we even live in the land, not in the water. Okay, or we will not fly in the sky. Okay, so we are like terrestrial. We will also live in the land. Okay, like that only some animals live in the land. Examples of the animals which lives on land. Examples: tiger and the lion. I think you can see the examples of the animals are as tiger and the lions. So now let's see. What means of here arboreal animals? Arboreal, see. The animals which lives on the trees are called as arboreal. But I write it. The animal which lives on the tree. Okay, what's the meaning of arboreal here? The animal which lives on the trees. Example you can tell as a monkey. The monkey lives in the trees. Okay, so monkey lives in the trees. Okay, and not only the monkey, example of the arboreal is even squirrel and the polar bear. So let I give you the two examples. If you are thinking what is polar bear, you can see there it is a polar bear. Okay, here examples: monkeys. How I told you the monkeys is the arboreal animals. It's also live in the trees, and even the squirrel and the polar bears. Monkeys, squirrel. You can see the spelling of squirrel. Now we are going to learn what means of here aerial animals. Before that, the arboreal animals. About the arboreal animals, one thing I should say: the arboreal animals have a strong body. Okay, the arboreal animal has a strong body. Okay, right? Arboreal animal have a strong body to climb the trees. Okay, because they should be having it, and even the powers. They even have the strong powers to climb it. Okay. So now let's learn about the aerial. What's means of aerial here? Aerial, I think you can guess. Before that, let I write here land. Then you don't confuse about that. What is meaning of terrestrial? You don't want to read this full. I will write here. I think you can see it. The terrestrial is land, arboreal, trees, and the aerial. Now let I tell you. Aerial animals, see, the animal which can fly. Aerial means the animal which can fly. Examples, birds. Okay. So this means the animal which can fly. Examples, birds. In the birds, you can see crow, pigeon, parrot and all. Okay. And even there are some animals that cannot fly. But the most of them, most of the birds can fly. Even the ostrich cannot fly. And even kiwi. Okay. And penguins even cannot fly. Peacock cannot fly. So some birds also cannot fly. So some birds can fly. They are called as aerial. Aerial means in the air. Also in the short form has an air. Okay. So examples of the bird. As you can tell, parrot, and if you don't know the penguin bird, you can see here. Okay, it's a penguin bird. Okay, and even the kiwi bird you can see. Okay, so you can see the even kiwi bird here. So here examples, parrot and the crow, or even you can give us and even you can tell eagle. This are some birds. Examples of the birds are parrot and the eagle. 2 examples are enough. So let's move into next. What's here aquatic animals? So meaning of aquatic, you know, the water. Means the aquatic animals, the water animals. Means the animal which lives in water. Okay. Here example you can tell is aquatic animals mean the animals which lives in the water. Examples, whales. If you don't know the whale fish, you can see. And even the whale fish is the biggest fish. Okay, you can see the picture here. Okay, so that's a whale. And not only the whale is the one example, there is shark. Except shark, there is starfish and lionfishes. Okay, not only this, there is octopuses and even there are so many. Okay, so examples of aquatic animals, whales and shark. Now I will explain you in Hindi. Before that, I will write here aquatic water. Let I write it in red color, or otherwise you may be confuse it. Okay, so now I will explain you in it in Hindi. See, मैं आपको अभी पढ़ाने वाली हूँ एनिमल्स हैबिटेट एंड फूड हैबिट. हैबिटेट मतलब क्या होता है यहाँ देखिए. हैबिटेट मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू एनिमल्स वेट दे कैन सर्वाइव. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि जो एनिमल्स कहाँ रह सकते हैं उसे बोलते हैं हैबिटेट. जैसे कि जैसे कि मछली, जो मछली होता है वो पानी में ही रहता है, वो पानी में ही रह सकता है, ठीक है, वो जमीन पे नहीं रह सकता है, ठीक है, उसी को बोलते हैं हैबिटेट। सो पानी मछली का एक हैबिटेट है। हैबिटेट मतलब एक घर है जहां वो लोग रह सकते, जहां मछली रह सकते। तो उसी के बारे में हम लोग जानते। टाइप्स ऑफ, यहाँ पर बहुत सारा 4 टाइप्स है, पूरा 4 टाइप्स है हैबिटेट, एनिमल्स का हैबिटेट का। तो वही देखते हैं कौन कौन सा है और उसका मतलब जानते हैं। तो यहाँ देखिए टेरेस्ट्रियल, टेरेस्ट्रियल भी एक ग्रुप है एनिमल्स का। टेरेस्ट्रियल मतलब क्या है यहाँ? द एनिमल्स विच लिव्स ऑन लैंड। जो एनिमल्स जमीन पे रहते हैं उसे बोलते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स, ठीक है। लैंड, लैंड मतलब जमीन पे, ठीक है। टेरेस्ट्रियल का शॉर्ट फॉर्म लैंड, मतलब जो जो एनिमल जमीन पे रहते हैं उसे बोलते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स। उसका कुछ एग्जांपल्स है, वो है टाइगर और लायन। जैसे कि शेर, शेर मतलब लायन, वो भी जमीन पे ही रहता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ देखते हैं आर्बोरियल मतलब क्या होता है। आर्बोरियल मतलब द एनिमल विच लिव्स ऑन ट्रीज। जो जो एनिमल पेड़ पे रहते हैं उसे बोलते हैं आर्बोरियल एनिमल्स। द एग्जांपल्स में मंकीज और स्क्विरल। मंकीज मतलब बंदर होता है, और ये आर्बोरियल एनिमल्स, उसके पास एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉडी रहता है और पास भी, ठीक है, मतलब हाथ भी उसके पास बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है। ये है, उससे बोलते हैं पास, वो भी उसके पास स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है क्योंकि लिए वो क्लाइंब करते हैं ट्रीज को, वो जो ट्रीज पे चढ़ते हैं उसके लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग चाहिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग पास चाहिए, ठीक है। तो है मंकीज और स्क्विरल, ठीक है। यहाँ पर मतलब आर्बोरियल मतलब जो जो एनिमल्स पेड़ पे रहते हैं। एरियल एनिमल्स मतलब क्या होता है? द एनिमल व्हिच कैन फ्लाई। एरियल मतलब जो जो एनिमल वो उड़ सकते हैं उसे बोलते हैं एरियल एनिमल्स। जैसे कि एरियल एनिमल का शॉर्ट फॉर्म है एयर, और आर्बोरियल का ट्रीज। मतलब एरियल मतलब एयर, मतलब जो जो एनिमल्स उड़ सकते उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग एरियल एनिमल्स। एग्जाम्पल्स पैरेट और ईगल। पैरेट और ईगल ये दोनों एक एग्जाम्पल है, ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट देखते हैं एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, उसके मतलब क्या होता है? एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स मतलब द एनिमल्स व्हिच लिव्स इन वाटर। मतलब जो जो एनिमल्स जैसे फिश वो पानी में रहता है, जो जो एनिमल पानी में रहता है, जो जिसका घर पानी में है उसे बोलते हैं एक्वेटिक एनिमल। सो फिश का घर पानी में है तो वो एक एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स हुआ। तो उसका फिश का एग्जाम्पल, फिश का मछली मतलब मछली का एग्जाम्पल्स व्हेल्स, शार्क। इतना ही नहीं, स्टार फिशेस भी है, लायन फिशेस, बहुत सारा फिश है, और ऑक्टोपसेस, ठीक है। सो एक्वेटिक मतलब वाटर, मतलब जो जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, जो जो जानवर होते हैं वो पानी में रहते हैं। सो ये सब था टेरेस्ट्रियल, आर्बोरियल, एरियल और एक्वेटिक के बारे में। ये सब एक हैबिटेट थे, ठीक है। मतलब एनिमल्स का ग्रुप, एनिमल्स 4 ग्रुप में है, मतलब वो है टेरेस्ट्रियल, आर्बोरियल, एरियल और एक्वेटिक। तो अभी देखते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में चलते हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। So now we are going to learn the next topic, that is animals. We will have learned the animals habitat and food, and now we will learn the where do animals live. Okay, so where do animals live? Has it? Okay. Before, and I will tell you in the where do animals live. That's I have taught you that. I will write here. Terrestrial and aerial, arboreal, and aquatic. I have taught you this, the terrestrial, aerial and the aquatic. So, I have taught you about the way do animals live and animals' habitat and food habit. Now, the next topic is, you can see it has what do animals what do animal eat? ये है हमारा टॉपिक व्हाट डू एनिमल मतलब एनिमल्स क्या खाते हैं. सो मैंने बताया था जो 4 ग्रुप्स है, terrestrial, arboreal, aerial. ये जो 4 ग्रुप्स है, यही ग्रुप्स क्या क्या खाते हैं और ये सब ग्रुप्स है. जैसे कि खाने में भी कुछ ग्रुप्स बटे हुए. In the eating also there are some groups. Okay. See now how in the habitat these 4 are the groups. Like that only some groups are there in the eating. Okay, the eating of the animals. So let's see which are that. So see, first we will learn about herbivores. And the second about carnivores. And the third omnivores. And then scavengers. This which I am writing, that all are the groups of the animals that eats. Okay, means not like that the all animals eat. I know the all animals eat, but here herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, these are also the groups of the animals that eat different things. Okay, so the next groups is parasites. What are the meaning of this all groups? Why I have written it? To explain. Okay, herbivores. What is meaning of here herbivores? See, herbivores is the animal which eat plants or the part of the plants. The animal which eat plants. Means herbivores means the animal which eat plants are called as herbivores. Example of this. Example is cow. The example of the herbivore that eats plants is called as herbivores. The animal which eats plants is called as herbivores. That the herbivores is the cow. The cow only eats the like a plant. It doesn't eat the meat or something. Okay, meats and all it doesn't eat. And now, what's means of carnivore? What's the meaning of carnivores? The animal which so here you can see carnivores means the animal which it meats. Example, lion. Meaning of the animal which eats meat is carnivores. Example, lion. Lion eats meats. Okay, next. Omnivores. What's omnivores? The animal which eats both plants and meat is called as omnivores. The animal which eat both the animal which eat both plants and meat. Means omnivores means the animal which eats both plants and meat. Like us is called as omnivores. Even we are omnivores. Example I can give it. So as the example is human. Humans you can tell, like we. What's scavenger? See, meaning of the scavengers is the animal which eats dead animal. Okay. Means here, scavenger means the animals which eats dead animals are called as scavengers. So example of like that animals. So here scavengers, the animal which eat dead animals are called as scavengers. So now we will learn what's the examples of the scavengers. You can tell it as jackals. Jackals are also the animal which eats the dead animals. Okay. If you didn't saw the jackal, you can see here. You can see here. That's the jackal. Now let's learn what's parasites. The animal which parasite means the animal which get nutrients from the other living animal are called as parasites. Examples of that animals that lives on the other's body and take the nutrients of that other animals are called as parasite. Example of that. Here the animal which gets nutrients means how they will get nutrients means the parasite actually mean like the parasite is a small it's a small insects like like a insects. It lives in the other animal's body and seeps the blood, and in the blood it gets nutrients. Like that, I have given in short the animal which get nutrients from the other living animal are called as parasite. Okay, and the examples of the parasites. See, there are different parasites. Here, the not examples of the parasites that live outside of the body. Some parasites are there that live inside the body and some outside. So let's see which are they. Which is the outside, which parasite lives the outside in the outside body and which in the inside. Let's see the example. Okay, so we have learned all. Now we will see the which sucks our blood and which example here which sucks our blood. Okay, so which sucks our blood example means that leaves outside the body. Example that sucks blood. Lice. Okay, lice even sucks blood of first, and the lice it sucks the blood, and from that it gets nutrients. Okay, so here example. Now this was the example that sucks. Now you will see the examples. Example that live inside the body. Example that live inside the body has you can tell hookworms. It's a worm, means it's a parasite that lives inside the body. Hookworms. It is a parasite that lives inside the body. So we learned what is the animal eats. Example, the herbivores eats plants, the carnivores eats meat, and the omnivores eats both plants and meat, and the scavengers eat dead animals, and the parasite sucks the blood and it gets nutrients. Example that sucks in the parasite, the example that suck is lice. Example that live inside the body is hookworms. Now we learned all. So this much have we learned it. Next we will learn the animal which get nutrients from the other living animal. Oh, not only the hookworms, there are so many worms like roundworm. Okay, roundworms also. They live inside the host body. So now we are going to learn this in a Hindi. Let I teach you this in Hindi, whatever I have taught. So मैं क्या बताई थी इतना देरी तो देखिए व्हाट डू एनिमल्स ईट, मतलब एनिमल्स क्या खाते हैं। मैंने बताया था कि हम लोग इसके बारे में सीखते हैं। हर्बीवोर्स, कार्निवोर्स, ओमनिवोर्स, स्कैवेंजर्स और पैरासाइट्स, ये सब एक ग्रुप है, एनिमल्स के ग्रुप है, ठीक है। मतलब वो कैसे कैसे खाते हैं वो सबके ग्रुप से सब। तो हर्बीवोर्स मतलब क्या है? हर्बीवोर्स मतलब जो एनिमल प्लांट सिर्फ प्लांट खाते और कुछ लीव्स तो सब खाते हैं, उससे बोलते हैं हम लोग हर्बीवोर्स, ठीक है। और इसका मतलब हर्बीवोर्स। एग्जाम्पल क्या है? काउ। काउ भी एक ऐसा एनिमल है, एक ऐसा जानवर है, वो सिर्फ प्लांट खाता है, ठीक है। कार्निवोर्स मतलब क्या? द एनिमल व्हिच ईट मीट, मतलब जो एनिमल होता है वो मीट खाता है, उससे बोलते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पर देखिए जैसे उसे बोलते हैं कार्निवोर्स। जो सिर्फ मीट खाता है उसे बोलते हैं कार्निवोर्स। एग्जाम्पल है लायन, शेर। शेर भी सिर्फ मीट खाता है। होमनिवोर्स मतलब क्या? एनिमल व्हिच ईट बोथ प्लांट एंड मीट, मतलब जो एनिमल होते हैं वो दोनों खाते हैं, जैसे प्लांट भी खाते हैं और मीट भी खाते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं होमनिवोर्स। जैसे उसका एग्जांपल्स है ह्यूमंस, हम लोग भी कब मीट भी खाते हैं और कुछ प्लांट्स में जो वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स आते हैं उसे भी खाते हैं, राइट। सो नेक्स्ट, स्कैवेंजर्स। स्कैवेंजर्स मतलब क्या होता है? स्कैवेंजर्स मतलब द एनिमल्स व्हिच ईट डेड एनिमल, मतलब जो एनिमल्स मरे हुए एनिमल्स को खाते हैं उसे बोलते हैं स्कैवेंजर्स। एग्जांपल में है जकाल। जकाल आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर जकाल, यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पर ये है जकाल और वो डेड एनिमल्स को भी खाता है, मतलब मरे हुए एनिमल्स को खाता है। पैरासाइट, द एनिमल्स व्हिच गेट न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द अदर लिविंग एनिमल, मतलब जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनको न्यूट्रिएंट्स दूसरे एनिमल से मिलता है, उसे बोलते हैं पैरासाइट्स। जैसे कैसे मिलता है उसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स? तो देखिए वो हमारा ब्लड चूसता है, वो सक, ब्लड इट सक्स, मतलब ब्लड को चूसता है, तो उसे बोलते हैं सक्स। जब वो ब्लड चूसता है उसमें कितना भी अच्छा चीज जैसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलता है वो उसके बॉडी के अंदर चल जाता है, उसे बोलते हैं कि द एनिमल व्हिच गेट, मतलब जो एनिमल को न्यूट्रिएंट्स दूसरा एनिमल से मिलता है उसे बोलते हैं पैरासाइट्स। सो हियर एग्जांपल्स, जो मतलब वहां पर कुछ पैरासाइट्स ऐसा भी है जो बॉडी के अंदर रहते हैं और कोई पैरासाइट्स ऐसा भी है जो बॉडी के बाहर रहते हैं, ठीक है। जैसे जो अंदर रहते हैं और खून चूसते हैं वो एनिमल में वो पैरासाइट लाइस है, मतलब वो एक लाइस एक पैरासाइट है जो वो खून को चूसता है, ठीक है। और एग्जाम्पल दैट लिव इनसाइड द बॉडी, कुछ पैरासाइट्स का एग्जाम्पल जो बॉडी के अंदर रहता है वो है हुकवर्म्स और राउंडवर्म्स। ये दोनों एक एग्जाम्पल है पैरासाइट्स का, वो हमारा बॉडी के अंदर रहता है। सो हम लोग पढ़ लिए अभी what do animals eat. So thank you. In the next video I will teach you about something new topic. Please subscribe.